Hello there. Today we're diving into a topic that's on every business owner's and manager's mind, and how to keep employees engaged in our new hybrid work world. It's not always easy, but to get it right, the rewards can be huge. Gallup's engagement survey identified 12 key needs that, when met, could really boost employees' engagement. But don't worry, I'm not going to overwhelm you with all 12 today. Instead, we're going to focus on the top 5 that could really make the biggest difference. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of these 5 essential needs and how meeting them can create a work environment that your team feels valued, motivated, and connected. Whether they're working in the office or working remotely, these strategies can help you build a more engaged and productive team. So let's get started and unlock the secrets of boosting employee engagement in the hybrid workplace. I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Raymond Huan, and if you own a business, you're interested in business, or you wish to learn more about the tips and tricks on how to operate the business better, I encourage you to click on the subscribe button that you see before you right now. The 2024 Gallup report has some interesting findings about workers in Australia and New Zealand. Compared to the global average, they are more likely to see themselves as thriving, less likely to feel lonely or isolated from colleagues, and more optimistic about the job opportunities where they live. Now, this is good news for businesses in both Australia and New Zealand, especially considering that about 8 years ago, many workers in this region reported feeling disengaged. While the Gallup report doesn't exactly pinpoint the exact reasons for this positive shift, it does highlight the rise of hybrid work and increased mental health awareness as contributing factors. The nature of work has undergone significant changes thanks to technological advancements and the global pandemic. Now, these shifts have addressed the previously unmet needs, such as flexible work arrangements for young parents with young children and supporting evolving lifestyles, including digital nomadism. Remote work has also emerged as a more inclusive option, particularly for individuals with disabilities. But here's the million-dollar question. How can small businesses continue to foster employee engagement and keep their teams happy and productive? Let's dive into the 5 crucial needs that needs to be addressed. One of the most important things employees need is clarity about their work expectations. When goals and responsibilities are unclear, it can lead to confusion, stress, and a drop in productivity. As a manager, providing specific, achievable, and measurable expectations helps your team understand exactly what's required of them. Setting clear expectations means outlining what you need from your team on a daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly basis. Be explicit about how you want work to be communicated and delivered. For example, do you expect daily check-ins? If so, which platform should they use? Email or internal messaging? How should they communicate with customers? And how often? If a customer raises an issue, what turnaround time would you expect as a formal response? This may seem like small details, but they have an impact on how effectively work can get done. In a traditional office setting, employees often pick up on expectations by observing their colleagues. However, in a remote or hybrid work environment, these opportunities for knowledge transfer are fewer due to limited in-person interactions. Now, this doesn't mean we have lost the ability to share and model expectations. It just means we need to be more intentional about how we communicate them. Regularly reinforcing these guidelines ensures that everyone is aligned and equipped to perform at their best. For employees to perform at their best, they need to access the right tools, the materials, and equipment. This includes everything from essential software and hardware to ergonomic setups for those working remotely. In a hybrid work environment, it's especially important to consider what each team member might need to succeed. Take a moment to put yourself in their shoes. What would you need to feel supported and productive in their role? Whether it's upgrading outdated equipment or providing access to collaboration tools, ensuring your team has what they need sets them up for success. Tailor work opportunities to individual strengths and assign them tasks that align with their employees' strengths, interests, career goals can make a world of difference in their job satisfaction and motivation. Personalizing work opportunities might seem like extra effort for managers, but the payoff can be huge. It inspires employees to reach their full potential, which benefits both them and your business. Every person is unique, and understanding what drives each individual allows you to create a more engaged and productive team. And by focusing on tailored opportunities, you're not just assigning tasks, you're investing in your employees' growth and your company's future success. Everyone wants to feel appreciated for their hard work, and recognition is one of the most powerful motivators. When employees feel valued, they are more likely to stay engaged and productive. Recognition doesn't have to be elaborate. It can be as simple as verbal praise, a thank you note, or a public acknowledgement during a meeting.
Small gestures of appreciation can go a long way in building morale and fostering loyalty.
Caring for employees' well-being means addressing not just their physical health, but also the mental and emotional needs. Managers can support this by promoting work-life balance, encouraging regular breaks, and providing access to mental health resources. However, prevention is always better than cure. And many organizations fall into the trap of thinking that offering mental health resources alone is enough. But often, the root causes of workplace stress and anxiety stem from heavy workloads or toxic work environments. If you truly care about your team's well-being, take a closer look at their work conditions and address any underlying issues that may be causing stress. And by focusing on these 5 strategies, which is clear expectations, proper tools, tailored opportunities, recognition, and well-being, managers can significantly enhance employees' engagement in a hybrid workplace. Meeting these needs creates an environment where employees feel valued, motivated, and satisfied, leading to a more productive and committed workforce. My name is Raymond Huan. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to catching up with you in the next video very soon.